YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to integrate Airtable with the make.com. For this guys, first of all, create a make.com account. If you don't have one, ensure you have an active Airtable account with base plan and generate the Airtable API key from account setting. Then guys, copy your Airtable base ID from the API documentation. Then create your first make.com scenario. So log in into the make.com dashboard and create a new scenario from the left menu. Then search for the Airtable and select it to your first module and choose the trigger like watch record for the new entries. Then connecting your Airtable bus. So guys, click add to the next connection in the Airtable module and enter a name from your connection. Paste your Airtable API key into the designed field and click the option of continue to stabilize the connection. Select your desired Airtable base and table from the drop down menu. Then adding the action modules to your workflow. So click add another modules button, select the target app for your actions, choose an action such as send an email or create a record. Then connect the new model using its specify authentication. Also map add and activating the scenario. So map field from your Airtable trigger to the action module, drag and drop the variables from the Airtable into the action field. Set the scheduling from your scenario. Click the option of on toggle to active your new automation. Test the scenario by performing the triggered action is Airtable. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.